Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Fallout 4 Anniversary Edition game not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, crashing, stuck on loading screen, black screen or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen first. After that, press menu button on controller, then select quit. Finally, restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to check for Xbox updates and make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. Open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin the updating process. Next solution is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, then select settings. Now choose network settings. After that, test network connection. Wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next is to perform power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next is to check for Fallout 4 Anniversary Edition update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available. After updating the game, launch it and check. Next method is to clear persistent storage. This will help to clear the cache data. For that, open settings, choose device and connections. Click on Blu-ray. Now select persistent storage and then select clear persistent storage. Next is to clear cache. Other is to clear cache of Fallout 4 Anniversary Edition. For that, press Xbox guide. Now click on My Games and Apps and tap on See All. Here search for Fallout 4 Anniversary Edition. Press menu. Select Manage Game and Add-ons. Then tap on Save Data Reserved Space. Finally tap on Clear Reserved Space. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Next, go to Account. Then click on Remove Accounts. Here choose the account to remove. After that, select Remove option. Once done, after that add the account again and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, go to Profile and System, select Settings, now click on System, then click on Storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or game to create some space and then launch it and check. If not, next is to reinstall Fallout 4 Anniversary Edition. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to My Games and Apps, then select See All option. Here select Fallout 4 Anniversary Edition, press menu button, then select uninstall. Now after the game is removed, open Fallout 4 Anniversary Edition official website and download the game and then check if everything is working fine. If not, then the final method is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.